Hi, welcome. We're going to be learning about the centroid of a triangle. And to determine the centroid of a triangle, you need to do about two things. You need to find the midpoint on one side of your triangle, and then you're going to draw a line from the vertex to that point. And you want to find out the equation of this line. Then you're going to choose the other side, find the midpoint, and a line right. And the two equations are all that we need. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find out this midpoint. I'm going to call this midpoint AC. And we also need to be able to find midpoint AB. Right here we have midpoint AC. It's going to be equal to the average, so adding up your x values, divide by 2, and adding up your y values and dividing by 2, we can determine, right there we're going to have negative 8 over 2, and then the 6 over 2, we're going to have negative 4, and that's this location right here, negative 4, 3. That's the midpoint. You want to do the same thing on the other side of your triangle. I'm going to find the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is equal to the average of your x's divided by 2, and then the average of So that means that we're going to have negative 10, 0. Points, we need to find the slope between, instead of that, I'm going to change let's find the slope B and MAC. So we want to find out the slope here. To find out the slope, we're using this equation. It's the difference in your y's divided by the difference in your x's. So we can figure this. So it's it's 3 minus 6 divided by negative 4 is going to be the slope of this line right here. We're going to have 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 4. And then we need to find the slope of this line here, C to MAB, which is going to be zero minus, now this point right was, so it's going to be 0 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 10, which is 0 divided by 14. And when you have 0 divided by 14, that's equal to undefined. We can put this in 14. What is it equal? Oh, it's equal to 0. That's right. So that's the slope for that guy there. You need to find your two equations. To find out the equation, we know the slope, so it's going to be y is equal to mx plus b. We know the slope, and we know a point. Because this is the point here, so you can put 3 is equal to slope, which is 9 over 4, times your x, which is negative 4, plus b. Solve for b. This is 3. So we have b is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12. B is equal to 12. So the equation is equal to slope 9 over 4 x plus 12. This is your one equation. And you want to leave this guy over here too. So that's going to be y is equal to mx plus b. And the slope is 0. And we can use this point on this AB. We can use any of these points. It doesn't matter. We can use this point or this point. Let me use this one right here. So it's going to be 0 is equal to 0 times 4. So b is equal to 0. So the equation is horizontal line is equal to 0. So we can use substitution and find out what x is. So we can put, this is one equation and the second equation. Sub 1 into 2, solve for x. 0 is equal to 9 plus 12. So we're going to have negative 12 is equal to 9 over 4. So cross multiply. 4 over 9. 4 over 9. So we have negative 12 multiplied by 4 over 9 is equal to x. So x is going to be equal to 3. So we get 16 over 3. So therefore, the centroid, the point of intercept, or the centroid, the location is 16 over 3, comma 0, 3, comma 0. That's the y, and then this is the x. So that's how to find the centroid.